Okay, if you open the FlexiPRINT and you see this kind of error, basically it says they have not found the temp file, which maybe you take a photo of here, okay? And then you press OK, they still keep showing this is because this file actually in the middle, they cannot be loaded. The file is gone, so you're gonna try delete. Sometimes works delete, but sometimes you cannot delete. It just freeze. If like this freeze, you keep doing this, they keep freezing. So in this case, you have to just delete everything here. You first go to Task Manager, trying to terminate this, and you go to the folder. Remember the place that I said you better take a photo, so you can find that file. It's basically under SCI installation under this temp. There's lots of file here. Actually, take lots of your disk space. What you can do is you can Control A, select all, or just right click. Okay, not select all, just Control A, select all, then trying to delete all of them. It's lots of files, take a long time sometimes. Okay, let's wait for it to. We see lots of files. That's how it's been using your hard disk space for all those ripped file, processed file. Now sometimes you print, you no longer need it, they still occupy the space. This sometimes take a long time. So let's wait this. Okay, you can stop this video if you do not want to. Basically, you reopen the production manager, you're back to normal, but with no files anymore. They just start over. But that's how you delete all the temporary files. But in this video, I'm gonna wait until everything is gone. Okay, so we are winning. So actually, you can see you actually have lots of space saved. It was like this. So at least 100 gigabyte is coming out. So now you go to open the production manager. It won't have that error anymore because it cannot find the file. They were trying to reestablish everything. So the thing will be gone. Done, done. Okay. Then you can just delete all of those. This file sometimes you can still print, sometimes you not. You can try. If you give an error, you can keep deleting or just. But now at least you know more that error. You can delete this. Sometimes those files still exist because those are the REST file that they still have the original file. So you can check property. The file still here. The link to a space for place. You can still keep those. Okay, or you delete whichever. But now that problem is go away. Thank you. That's how you delete it.